Everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to see who viewed your profile on Facebook. So to get it started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Facebook application, and once you're inside the Facebook, you will be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. So in order to see who viewed your profile on Facebook, what you're gonna do is click on that little profile icon and then click on that three dots and make sure that your professional mode is on. Here I have already turned on my professional mode. So what you're gonna do is click on see dashboard. Once you have clicked on it, you can see you will be shown the performance and the tools. So click on the insights, and here you can see who have reached your profile, and then you can also see who have viewed your Facebook profile. So yeah, you can see here once anyone or someone has seen your Facebook profile, it will be visible here. So that's all guys. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.